Hi, my name is Tim with TNT Chem-Dry, owner of a rug cleaning facility here in Smyrna, Tennessee, along with my wife Tara. We opened this shop about a year ago in 2019. And this video is somewhat designed for interior designers, rug stores, home decor stores that sell one very specific kind of rug. Viscose rugs, also known as rayon, faux silk, corn silk. It's a very popular rug that has flooded the market. We're seeing a lot more of these kind of rug. And popular because they look great in a home as far as decoration, as far as the home decor. They go well with a lot of different things, a lot of off-white, silver, cream color, grays. That's the main colors you see with viscose rugs. But the challenge is that they're not a friendly rug to clean. Meaning when you clean them, they can change color, they can change texture. And anyone that's cleaned a viscose rug, say a carpet cleaning company, they probably ruined it. Or if a homeowner did it themselves, they probably ruined the rug. And so they're temperamental. They're a temperamental rug. They need to be cleaned in a very specific kind of way. You really have to have all the tools to clean viscose rugs. Our facility, we do have that. We have a full industrial dusting machine. We have the full wash floor. Very sanitary environment, continuous water flows, so nothing is stagnant. We have the correct products and the right pH level for viscose rugs, and we have the centrifuge behind us. That's a big machine, industrial machine to spin out the rug and get the majority of the moisture spun out of it. That's a really important step in cleaning viscose rugs, to get rid of the moisture quickly. And then we have a full dry room dedicated to drying viscose rugs, or all rugs, but the dry time is really fast with that. Once you do all that, that's the halfway point of viscose. Basically, they need to be post-groomed correctly. They need to be groomed out really well to get that softness back, get the pile laying correctly, and to get it looking nice once again. So they are a challenge. We gladly accept the challenge. We clean lots of viscose rugs. We're just finding a lot of clients that have had a hard time finding a company that will clean viscose. Most companies will just flat out turn them down right away because they don't know how to clean them. They don't have the right equipment. They don't have the shop that's set up correctly for viscose. And so for them, it's just easy enough to say, no, thank you, we'll pass. So if you have clients that have viscose, or if you own a viscose rug, give us a call. We can come and pick it up. We do a pet odor removal guarantee. That's for pet odor removal. We're great at getting rid of stains out of viscose. They are tricky, but we've had great success with that as well. You can also drop by our rug facility here in Smyrna. We're in Seven Oaks Business Park, just off I-24 and Almaville Road, 879 Seven Oaks Boulevard, number 640. But give us a call, 615-557-5231, or you can check out our website, www.tntchemdry.com. Thank you.